Hey buddy, today in this video we're making Dr. Pepper pulled pork sandwiches. Let's begin. We're going to prepare the sauce first. First we'll need 1.5 cup of Dr. Pepper. There we go, we have 1.5 cup of Dr. Pepper. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. 1, 2. 1 cup of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. There we go, that's 1 cup of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. 3 tablespoons of liquid smoke, hickory. 1, 2, 3. And lastly, 2 tablespoons of honey. Here you go, that's 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. Take everything and mix it all together. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to put it to the side. And now let's prepare the seasoning for the pork. We'll need 1 tablespoon onion powder. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. 1, 2. 2 tablespoons of ground cumin. 1 tablespoon. There you go, 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. 1, 2. 1 tablespoon of salt. 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. There you go, that's 1 teaspoon. Take everything and mix it all together. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to put it to the side. The cut up pork we're using is pork shoulder blade butt roast. And it's a little bit over 4 pounds. Let's cut it open. There's not a whole lot of excess fat on it. But if there's a lot of excess fat, you should trim it off. Next, we're going to take the dry seasoning and apply it onto the pork. There we go. Dab the rest of the seasoning. Make sure to get all the remaining seasoning onto the pork. Next, we're going to take the pork and put it into the crock pot or slow cooker. Pour the remaining seasoning into the slow cooker and also the leftover seasoning. Next, we're going to pour in the pre-made sauce. This is what it looks like before we close it up. We're going to put it on high for 5 hours and we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 5 hours on high. And now we're going to turn it off. And let's open it up. Looks great. It smells good too. Okay, next we're going to drain the liquid and we'll be back. Okay, we drained all the liquid. And now let's break it up with a fork. It's nice and tender. Okay, it's all nicely shredded. Next, we're just going to add some Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce. You can add more or less depending on your preference. And then mix everything all together. We have here some Sara Lee buns. And let's take some out. We're going to grab some of the pulled pork and put it on top of the buns. Okay, this is what we have today. Dr. Pepper barbecue pulled pork sandwiches. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.